In this video, we have 5 new updates regarding the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max that Apple is about to release in September this year, 2024. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Now, let's get into the video. The first update is that Apple will increase the size of the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It will increase the size of the iPhone 16 Pro to 6.3 inches, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the size will be increased to 6.9 inches. Okay, the second update is that there's a rumor that Apple is designing a new A series chip for the Apple lineup. And this, of course, is going to affect the performance, efficiency, and is going to increase the performance and everything about the new iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The third update we have for you in this video is action button. You know, action button was originally limited to iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, but the news that is reaching us is that all the models is going to have action button, so that you can do what? You can take your pictures and take your video at ease with your action button. Then the fifth update regarding iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max is that Apple is trying a vertical camera lens arrangement. So he's staying away from the traditional diagonal lens setup, according to Mac rumor. We also heard that the Apple is also expecting to bring tetraprism 5-time optical zoom to the iPhone 16 Pro models. So be expecting to see a crazy zooming length for this new iPhone. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. See you in my next video. Thank you.